It may be a sign the Supreme Court struggled with whether to hear the politically charged challenge to Quebec's Bill 21. Where it usually takes the court about 4 months to decide, this time it took twice that. The Council of Canadian Muslims, one of the applicants fighting the bill, isn't complaining about the wait.
It's a law, a populist law, designed to capitalize on popular feelings of angst surrounding religious minorities, particularly women in hijab.
Quebec's secularism law was adopted in 2019. It bans public sector employees in positions of authority from wearing religious symbols, meaning people like judges, police officers, or teachers can't wear things like turbans, kippas, or crucifixes. One teacher who fought the bill in the early days felt she had no choice but to move. She says she's confident those still fighting will win in court, and should.
Not once have I had a student tell me, Miss Court, because you wear a turban, I want to wear a turban too. So, to be honest, as an educator, a lot of this is just ridiculous and, quite frankly, stupid.
The law has been upheld by lower courts because Quebec used the notwithstanding clause overriding the Federal Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Now, the Supreme Court's eventual decision will affect all Canadians when other provinces use the notwithstanding clause. Because of that, Ottawa says it will join the case and argue against the bill.
When it's a matter of national importance and there's a national conversation about interpreting charter rights that will have an impact right around the country, we are going to be there.
Well, that intervention is getting strong criticism from the Quebec government. Posting on social media, the secularism minister says Ottawa getting involved isn't only a lack of respect, but an attack on the autonomy of federated states. Quebec, he says, will defend the law, and Ottawa should stay out of it. Mike Armstrong, Global News, Montreal.